So I recently did a video where I was cutting some 4.5-inch round tubing with the plasma cutter on my little fixture table. And so I would have to like cut, turn it, turn it. Here's a clip. I think it's kind of smooth. Right through it like butter. Take it slow. This 55 MP is this thing so nice. Just take my time. And somebody made a comment on that video that I should make some tube rollers. So that is exactly what I did. So when it comes to making these pipe or tube rollers, first thing I did, went on to Amazon, picked up some cheap office chairs. These are them right here. Come in a pack of 5, like 12 bucks, something like that. And for what they are, for their cost, roll pretty good. It's a ball bearing center, 6mm shaft, so got to keep that in mind. And I went through, basically cut the head off of the pin, pull it out, and get the wheel. Then I drew up a template. Basically, I want to have this somewhat adjustable so I can have basically like 3 wheel locations for different size tube. Made a template. Cut it out of some 1/8-inch plate with the old handy Art Captain Cut 55 MP. Thing made quick work of it. Did use a straight edge for part of it. Mainly a lot of it, or most of it, was probably freehand cut. So I cut 2 of those out. Once I got the template cut out of some 1/8-inch plate, I marked and drilled the centers of the 3 locations on each side for the wheels. I want to have this thing adjustable so that I can run different size tube through there. And then I drilled all the pilot holes, and then I drilled the holes out to 6mm on the drill press. Used the old handy anchor lube to lube up those drill bits and drilled out those wheel locations. For the second set, since I'm building 2, so that the tube can sit nice and level and roll easily, I didn't want to freehand cut those pieces out of that 1/8-inch plate. So for the template, what did I do with it? I lost my template. There it is. I measured the distance from the guide of the plasma cutter to the edge of the hole where the plasma cuts out and comes out and does the cutting. And I cut that off my template. And then I cut this out of some MDF, this guy right here. And I used this as a guide for the plasma cutter. And again, that Art Captain Cut 55 MP made quick work of that 1/8-inch plate. And using this as a guide made things go a lot smoother. Once I had the pieces cut out, I measured and cut out a strip of 1/8-inch plate for the bottom, welded this up, tacked it up basically, welded the edges and just kind of hammer bent that around the corner there on each side. That makes for the bottom. And there you can see the 6 hole locations. And this thing, these spin really nice in there. Now what I want to do is I want to add basically a 5/8 bolt to the bottom, which I went over to my local Lowe's this morning, picked up a 5/8 bolt. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this down. Basically, I'm going to cut the head off it, cut the threads off it. I just want this shaft section, and that's going to get welded to the bottom of that. And that way I can put this in my little fixture table. All right, so I got the bolt in place so this thing can sit on my fixture table and it won't move around. I still got to cut it to length. What I ended up doing was I just drilled a 5/8 hole, dropped it in from the top, welded it in on the inside. That way I wouldn't have to worry about a weld bead here on the bottom, and then that would prevent it from sitting flat on the fixture table. But yeah, super, super useful project. As a matter of fact, the opening shot to this video, cutting that tube, that's actually going to be used for an upcoming project. And make sure you stick around to the very end because there are a couple of bloopers from the setup of that opening shot. Probably is pretty obvious, but there was a mistake that was made that I quickly picked up on. Well, not quickly. You'll see. Just stick around to the very end. Appreciate you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe, hit the bell. See you on the next one. All right. Why isn't this? What the hell is going on? Oh. Huh. It's not grounding through the wheels. Okay. That's why. Ground no worky through rubber wheels.